Stop.
Ever frozen up at the coffee counter? Hello, friends. Ready for your daily dose of effortless English? I'm Tina.
And I'm Leo, your daily disaster, fueled by bad coffee orders.
Picture this. The line is long, the barista stares, and your brain goes blank.
Then I just point and pray.
Today, that pain ends. Coffee runs should feel fun, not scary. Today, you'll walk away with 3 magic phrases. Ready? Let's preview. Phrase 1, to go. It means you want your drink to take away.
To go. So I grab it and run, right?
Phrase 2, have a sweet tooth. It means you love sugary treats.
Have a sweet tooth. Sounds like me at every dessert shelf.
Phrase 3, make it 2. It means order the same thing again.
Make it 2. Easy. I'll just copy my friend.
Use them tomorrow, and your coffee runs will flow. Now let's rewind to last Tuesday morning at the corner cafe.
I rushed in, half asleep, dreaming of strong espresso.
The line was 10 people deep.
Okay, my turn. Hello, 1 coffee, please.
The barista asks, for here or to go?
How to say it? I want bring it outside.
Oh no, Leo, that just made it worse.
She blinked at me, totally confused.
Then what?
Then I pointed at a muffin behind the glass.
What words came out next?
I very like sweet things. Give me chocolate one.
Leo, that sounds like a toddler ordering breakfast.
I know, and my friend Mark stood behind me, laughing hard.
Did you try to save it?
No, the cashier asked, anything else for you?
And you froze?
Frozen solid. My brain crashed like an old computer.
Then what came out?
I just said, same, and waved wildly at Mark's cup.
She thought you wanted 2 of his exact drinks.
Exactly! I walked out with 2 giant lattes and 1 sad muffin.
Total chaos at 8 in the morning.
My wallet cried, my stomach cried, my English cried loudest.
Sounds familiar? Don't worry, we've got the fix. All right, Leo, time to put it into action. Let's jump into some real-life scenes. Scene 1. You walk into the corner cafe before work.
I see a long line. My heart starts racing.
Calm down. Step up when it's your turn.
Hi there, 1 small latte, please.
Sure, for here or to go?
Wait, Tina, last time I said bring outside. Wrong, right?
Very wrong. Barista's here to go all day long.
So you mean I just say to go and that's it?
Yes. 2 tiny words, 0 stress. Try again.
1 small latte, to go, please.
Perfect. Now flip the script. If you want to sit and read, say, for here.
Got it. To go means walking out. For here means staying inside.
Exactly. And to go works everywhere.
Like burger shops and noodle places?
Yes. Pizza, ramen, bubble tea, all the same.
Oh, like 1 bubble tea to go. Wow, this feels powerful.
And it saves you from miming a walking person at the counter.
No more silly hand dances for me.
One more tip. Add please and a smile. Always.
1 small latte, to go, please, with a smile.
Now you sound like a regular, not a tourist. But wait, the next one is even trickier. Scene 2. You spot a tray of warm cinnamon rolls.
Wow, those rolls look amazing. I want all of them.
Ha! You must really love sweets.
Yes, I very like sweet things.
Stop. Native speakers don't say that. Try this. I have a sweet tooth.
Oh, like, I have a sweet tooth, so I grab cake every Friday?
Beautiful. It paints a clear picture. Your tooth craves sugar.
My whole mouth craves sugar, honestly.
Then go bigger. I have a huge sweet tooth.
I have a huge sweet tooth. That feels so natural now.
And here's a bonus. Flip it into a question.
So you mean I can ask, do you have a sweet tooth?
Yes! Perfect small talk in any bakery line.
Do you have a sweet tooth, Tina?
Guilty. Warm brownies are my biggest weakness.
Mine too. Add vanilla ice cream and I'm finished.
One more trick. Pair it with food names.
Like, my sweet tooth loves donuts.
Or, her sweet tooth screams for cheesecake.
Her sweet tooth screams for cheesecake. I love that sound.
Use it once today and it sticks forever.
Speaking of weakness, can I tell you about last weekend?
Please share the disaster.
I went to the gym, super proud of myself.
Wait, you actually went?
One time. After one squat, my legs shook like jelly.
Only one squat? Leo, seriously?
The trainer laughed and handed me a tiny water bottle.
That can't be the worst part.
No, I tried to leave with full confidence.
And then?
I walked home backwards down the stairs. My legs refused to bend.
Painful and proud. Classic Leo. Now, imagine this. What would you say? Scene 3. You're at the cafe with Mark.
Hi, one iced caramel macchiato, please.
Great choice. And for you, sir?
Same. Give me his drink also.
Stop right there. Don't repeat same. Try make it 2.
So you mean I just say make it 2 and they get it?
Exactly. Short, clean, totally native.
Make it 2, please.
Beautiful. The barista nods and rings up 2 macchiatos.
That phrase is pure gold. It saves my brain at the counter.
And it works for food, too. Friend orders a burger? Make it 2.
Friend orders cheesecake. Make it 2. With my sweet tooth, always.
Smart move. Now you sound like a real cafe regular.
One more question. What if Mark wants 3 drinks?
Then say, make it 3.
Oh, like make it 4 for the whole team?
Yes, just swap the number.
My next order will sound so smooth.
Walk me through it.
1 latte to go, 1 warm sweet roll, and make it 2.
Music to my ears. Remember the awkward moment from the start? Watch Leo do it right.
Okay, second chance at the corner cafe.
Hi there! What can I get you today?
1 small latte to go, please.
Sure thing. Anything else for you?
1 warm chocolate muffin. I have a huge sweet tooth.
Lovely. And for your friend behind you?
He wants the exact same latte. Make it 2.
Smooth and clear. Coming right up.
Same shop, same Leo, 0 chaos this time.
3 magic phrases, total transformation. Quick recap time. Phrase 1, to go.
1 green tea to go, please.
Phrase 2, have a sweet tooth.
My little sister has a wild sweet tooth.
Phrase 3, make it 2.
Mark loves donuts, so make it 2.
3 phrases, 1 smooth coffee run.
My mornings just got way easier.
And your wallet, a little lighter.
Worth every cent for fluent English.
Tomorrow, walk into any cafe with full confidence. Drop your favorite phrase in the comments. We read every one.
Tell us your worst coffee order disaster, too.
Next time, we'll crack another small talk myth.
You won't want to miss it.
Finally, don't forget our slogan, your daily dose of effortless English. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, friends. Keep your cups full and your phrases ready.